Let's find the difference of two rational numbers with different signs. First of all, these are both in fraction form, which is great for us. We don't need to convert any of the values into a different form, but they don't have like denominators, so we want to rewrite these using equivalent fractions or proportional reasoning. So 2/5 is the same as what with the denominator that's also a multiple of 4. So our multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 20 is our first multiple of 4 that's also a multiple of 5. So if we have 2/5, what is 2/5 of 20? Okay, we can think about multiplication here. When we see the word of, it means multiply. So 2 times 20 divided by 5 is 40 divided by 5, which is 8. Okay. Or you can think of it as 5 times what makes 20? It's times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. Regardless, 8/20 is equivalent to 2/5. So we have 8/20 minus negative 1/4. Now what's 1/4 with the denominator of 20? Let's see. So let's use the same reasoning we did here. What's 1/4 of 20? Well, we multiply 1 by 20, divide by 4. We get 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So 5/20 is the same as 1/4, and we can check that reasoning because 5 divided by 5 is 1, 20 divided by 5 is 4. So we're good there. I need to remember my negative symbol. Okay, so now we have 8/20 minus negative 5/20, and in this case, we can kind of disregard the denominators. They're adjectives almost to how big these pieces are. We have 8 pieces that are of a whole that is cut into 20 slices. So imagine a birthday cake or a box of cookies, a box of 20 cookies, and the box is 1, and in one box there's 8 left, and in one box there's 5 left. Regardless of the signs, it's kind of like, okay, now we're just talking about cookies or we're talking about slices. So we can now just think of it as 8 minus negative 5. And if I'm subtracting a negative, right, always good to use a visual. I'm at 8 above 0, and then I'm subtracting. If I subtract 5, I get closer to 0, which would be 3, and I know that's not the answer. So I need to go the opposite direction. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus negative 5, we need to go up. And 8, 5 further from 0 on the positive end is 8 plus 5, which gives us 13. So this is the same as 8 plus positive 5, which is 13. But we're not done. Were we talking about cookies? Were we talking about pizza? Yes, to get the, to have one less thing to write on our way down. But our answer, if you look back, it doesn't make sense for 2/5 minus 1/4 to be 13. It's not just 13. What is it? Right, it's 13/20. So we need to always remember, does our answer make sense? And then me quickly glancing at this, trying to record the video, I look, I'm like, it can't be 13, right? Because it's 13 out of 20, 13/20.